Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I am in the Christmas spirit, so this is my first Christmas inspired makeup look for you guys, and I'm really excited to be getting these looks out for you. I really plan on trying to do a whole bunch, as much as I can, and also trying some new stuff that I haven't done before. So I'm really excited. So if you're interested on how I achieve this look, then keep watching. Alright, so as you guys can see, I've done this eye already. So I'm getting ready to finish up my eyes and do this one. So I already primed my eyes with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige. So now as my transition shade, I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in 330 Toffee. So now I'm going to go into my AFU palette. This is Charm Series. And I am going to take the shade Passion. And I'm going to put that in my crease area, as well as go a little bit into the transition shade. So now I'm getting ready to cut my crease. As you guys know, I do have hooded eyes, so in order to cut my crease, I have to cut it a little bit over my actual crease. So I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige to cut out my crease. Alright, so now I'm going to go into my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. And I'm going to take the shade Wanderlust right here. And I'm going to place that on my lid where I cut my crease at, up until right here. And then I'm going to smoke out the end with that red shade that I used in my crease. So now I'm going back in with that Passion shade once again, which is that red shade. And I'm just going to smoke out the end of the cut crease and bring it a little bit over here so I can blend it in. So now it's time to do my eyeliner. I'm going to go in with my E.L.F. liquid eyeliner in Jet Black and just do a wing liner. Alright, so before I add on my lashes and mascara, I'm going to go in with my NYX Glitter Primer. And I'm just going to place it right here between the green and the red, just a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with my Glamour glitter in white and apply it in the area that I applied the glitter glue. Trying to get it as close as possible to the other side, but I can't do it. Alright, that's close enough. Alright, so now I'm going to be applying my mascara only to my top lash right now. So I'm using my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Then I am going to be using the Kiss Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection. These are in Corset. To be honest, I really don't like these. I kind of knew that I wouldn't, but we're going to go ahead and use it for this look. So of course, for my blush, I'm going in with my Mary Kay Golden Copper Blush, which I absolutely love. This is really the main blush that I use. So it's this real pretty copper shade. So for my highlighting, I'll be using my ABH highlighter. And the highlighter that I'm going to be using is a 143. So now I'm going to finish up my eyes. I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Kohl eyeliner pencil in Baby's Got Black. And I'm going to apply that on my waterline. Then I'm going to go back in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and add the mascara to my bottom lashes. Now for my waterline, I'm going to go back in with this Passion shade and smoke out my waterline. Just add some color to it. Now I'm going to go back into my glow kit and add some highlight in my tear duct. Alright, so now I'm going to do a red lip for this look. So I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild lip liner in Berry Red and outline my lips. Now I'm going to go in with my MAC lipstick in Perfect Score. Now I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Chill Setting Spray. Doesn't want to work. So here is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope you guys love the look as well. I'm really excited to be getting these Christmas looks out for you guys. So let me know down below if you want to see any specific kind of Christmas inspired looks or what shades you would like for me to incorporate and also all that good stuff. So yeah, if you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from me. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and I will see you guys in my next video.